All right, guys, we are back again. Like I said, I'll be updating every single trade I take on this account, either a win or a lose. And at the end of the day, we are going to find out if we'll get a payout or we'll lose the account. Okay, without further ado, let's get right into it. As usual, we get to trading view and see how the trade plays out. Then we confirm it on trading NT5. Today, I'll be doing something different. I'll be explaining why I took this particular trade, all right, and why I took it at that particular session. Okay, sit tight. It's gonna be long. Let's go. Okay, let's see how the market is looking. Wow, the dollar index is looking quite good. US oil, gold, Nasdaq is good. Well, guys, don't mind the noises here. I don't trade all of these pairs, please. Most of them are for correlations. And BTC has gone down again to 68,000. Wow. Okay, this was a trade I took long before now. I'm switching it to a landscape just so that I can explain why I took the trade I'm taking. I took the trade, okay? So, ADJPY. And I think on my next video, I'll be giving out my market outlook and what I'm expecting for the week. All right, this is the trade. We were on a huge drawdown, but it's pulling back up. Hopefully, we see what the Asian session will do for us. To we'll see what the Asian session will do for us. If it's gonna pull us back to break even or in profit. But be it as it may, let me explain why I took this trade. Okay. First of all, we go back to 4 hours time frame. Top down analysis. You now see that market has been making higher highs and higher lows, which shows that we are bullish. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now retrace back into our discount zone. Okay, after the market retraced back into our discount zone, it's created a fair value gap in the discount zone. Here is it. And it's created an order block which I already marked out here, and a very good clean of liquidity. I don't really look at this, but here, that's a very good sweep of liquidity there. And markets went back up and made another break of structure after clearing liquidity. So we waited for market to come back down to our order block that has a fair value gap. And market did that. Immediately market came to our order block, our interest was picked. No, we now move to the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour. Mind you, I don't take my trades on 1 hour time frame. I take my trades on 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, in this 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see this pattern here. See that same liquidity sweep. Market came back down, reacted from the 4 hour fair value gap but couldn't hold, and deep into the I guess this was NFP. This was the effect of NFP earlier today. So, and deep into our order block. While going to our order block, it gave us this fair value gap. Now, this is what I'm going to explain. This fair value gap now was the reason I took this trade. It retraced, gave us a break of structure into our order block. After this happened, and it gave us a clean fair value gap. So all I needed to do was wait in order for me to see if the buyers are stepping in into the market, this fair value gap will be inverted. So I move to the 5 minutes time frame where I take my trades on. Yes. And that fair value gap was violated, it was inverted, which means that buyers stepped into the game. Two, it broke a structure, an internal break of structure, or you call it lower time frame, change in state of delivery on the lower time frame. Yeah. So that was why I I took this trade. Yeah, that was the reason I took the trade. So far, well, we are pulling back up. We were in huge drawdown, but also kind, we are pulling back up. Another trade I took today was uh Euro GBP. Yes, very clean trade. That didn't look like it was going to be clean at all. But let's see how it's going. Euro GBP. I'm not going to go into details why I took this trade. Yeah, for people that understand liquidity, supply and demand with SMC, they will get to understand why I took this trade. Okay, imagine we were almost at 1:4. Price retreats back, but we know the game. We are not scared. We'll just let price do what it has to do. Okay, that's all of it for analysis and why I took the trade I took earlier. Let's go back to MT5 and see how much it's reading. All right, like I said, we're in huge drawdown. The account is sitting in about three. It's up in about, yeah, in a very huge drawdown. So we are looking on how we can bring these accounts back to life again. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned for tomorrow's update. Okay, bye, peace out.